How to fix Kroger website not working. First, try checking the internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. Also, make sure any VPN or proxy service is not turned on. If you have turned it on, make sure to turn it off. Once you do that, your problem should be fixed. If the website still does not work, try clearing the cache of your browser. Click on the three dots that you can see at top right corner of your screen. Once you do that, click on the option Delete Browsing Data. Now you can clear the browser data. Simply select the duration of your choice. Make sure the option for cached images and files is selected. Click on the option Delete Data. Wait for a while and the data will be deleted. Once you do that, try using the Kroger website again. Your problem should be fixed. If the problem is still not fixed, try using the incognito mode. For that, click on the three dots again. Click on the option New Incognito Window. Once you do that, incognito window will be opened. Click on the search bar and type in Kroger.com. Press enter. Now the Kroger website should work in the incognito mode. If not, simply open any other browser of your choice. For instance, I'm going to open the Microsoft Edge over here. If you were already using this browser, you can go to Google Chrome. Click on the search bar and type in Kroger.com. Press enter. Once you do that, you should be able to use the Kroger website. Like this, you can fix Kroger website not working. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.